Hello guys, in today's video I would be showing you how to find the notifications section on Bluesky on your account easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now as you see here, you are on the discover page, so click on these three lines up here, then go to the notifications. So you will find the notifications here. So as you see here, you will find all the notifications and dimensions as you like. And also here in this icon up here, click on it. Now you can enable the notifications filter, and that's it. That's how to find the notifications section easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.